Hello everyone. Today we are going to read about photosynthesis, which is the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Plants prepare their food with the help of photosynthesis, and we are going to read about it right now. Students, when we talk about photosynthesis, so it is a biochemical process of manufacture of organic food from carbon dioxide, water, with the help of solar energy inside chlorophyll containing cells. Oxygen is also liberated in this process. Simple carbohydrate or sugar is the main product from which other organic substances are formed. When the food is produced in the excess, then this excess food is stored in the form of starch, or this glucose is stored in the form of starch. It functions as energy food reserve to be used and when it is required. It is similar to our storage of glycogen as energy reserve in our body. The major event of the photosynthesis are absorption of solar energy by chlorophyll, conversion of solar energy into chemical energy, as well as its utilization in splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen. The third step is reduction of carbon dioxide to form carbohydrates and other components of organic foods. Normally the events occur one after the other rapidly, but the same is not mandatory. For example, desert plants absorb and store carbon dioxide in organic acids during night when their stomata are open. It is reduced during the day when solar energy is available but the stomata are closed. Basic requirement of photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and chlorophyll. So first of all, sunlight. It is the source of energy for photosynthesis. Light is visible part of the electromagnetic radiation. So first of all, we will read about sunlight. Light is the source of energy for photosynthesis. Light is visible part of the electromagnetic radiation. Natural source of light is sun, but artificial light can also provide energy to plant for their photosynthesis. Plants absorb light mostly in violet, blue and red parts of the visible light. Light has two functions: photolysis of water and excitation of chlorophyll to emit electrons. Now next requirement is water. Land plants absorb water from soil through their roots. The absorbed water is transported to photosynthetic areas through xylem. Minerals are also transported along with water. They are used in synthesis of different organic substances like sulfur in protein, phosphorus in nucleic acid, etc. Next requirement is about chlorophyll. Plants possess pigment molecules for absorption of light energy. These are photosynthetic pigments, green chlorophylls. Photosynthetic pigment occurs in green colored cell organelles called chloroplast. Chloroplasts are also the sites of photosynthesis. In a cross section of a leaf, chloroplasts are found as green dots in the palisade and spongy cells of the mesophyll. On your screen you can easily see a dot-like structure is there which is green in color. This is chloroplast. A chloroplast has a double membrane envelope and it has a colloid matrix, or it is also known as stroma. A number of membrane covered flattened sacs, they are called thylakoid. Thylakoid are small and stacked at place to form grana. Chloroplast can be observed only under an electron microscope. On the screen you can see a structure of chloroplast. Each chloroplast of higher plants is bounded by a continuous double membrane which acts as a selective barrier to the movement of cellular metabolites into or out of the chloroplast. The double membrane envelope of chloroplast encloses a liquid matrix called stroma. Stroma is colorless and contains all the necessary enzymes of photosynthesis. The stroma is the site of dark reaction of photosynthesis. In the chloroplast of higher plants, disc-shaped intensely green bodies are embedded in the stroma. These are called grana, which you can see in your diagram. Each granum consists of variable number of sac-like structures called thylakoid. The thylakoid are laid in pile one on the top of each other and form the compact granum. The thylakoid of one gramen is connected to other granum with the help of intergranum laminae called stroma. These are the sites for the light reaction of photosynthesis. The next thing which is required for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide, and this could be taken with the help of stomata, which you are seeing on your screen. Green plants take carbon dioxide and water from the surroundings and convert them into carbohydrates by the process of photosynthesis. The land plants take gaseous form of carbon dioxide which enters the leaf through the stomata present on the epidermal layer. The stomata are minute opening guarded by two kidney-shaped guard cells. The guard cells regulate the opening and closing of stomatal aperture. Mostly during the day, guard cells are open because there is endoosmosis, and at night they are closed because guard cells shrink due to exoosmosis. Now the mechanism of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis actually occurs in two steps: photochemical and biochemical. First of all, photochemical phase. This is light reaction or Hill reaction. The reaction of this phase are driven by light energy. They are of two types: photolysis of water and formation of assimilatory power. So first of all, photolysis of water. Light energy splits up water into its component, that is oxygen and hydrogen. Second one is the formation of assimilatory power. Light energy absorbed by chlorophyll molecules is used in the synthesis of ATP and NADPH. Both ATP and NADPH2 together form the assimilatory power. Now next step is the dark reaction or Blackman's reaction. It is actually light independent reaction which can occur both in light as well as in dark. This dark reaction utilizes NADPH and ATP to fix carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. This fixation involves a biochemical pathway or photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle which was discovered by Calvin, and this is why it is also known as Calvin cycle. In Calvin cycle, 6 molecules of CO2 are required for fixation to produce 1 molecule of glucose. In this process, 18 molecules of ATP and 12 molecules of NADPH are used up. Okay class, this is all in this video.